Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make chicken casserole. This is a real different recipe and special one. I'm sure that you guys will love this recipe. So let's start by seeing the ingredients. The ingredients are corn, chicken. I cooked the chicken and with some salt and pepper. Take brown rice. If the rice is your choice, but I rather prefer brown rice because that's more healthier. And last, some Mexican style for cheese. Before I mix up all these ingredients, I'm gonna make a sauce. For the sauce, I'm gonna take 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, some butter, some salt, some parsley flakes, pepper, and milk. 2 cups of milk. Now let's add the butter. Now we're gonna add the all-purpose flour. Mix it with the whisk until the raw smell of the flour goes. Now let's add milk 1/2 cup at a time. Now, after we added the milk, it is very creamy. Now add another 1/2 cup of milk. Mix it. It's getting thick again. Now we're gonna add another 1/2 cup of milk and stir. It's getting more thick. The flour, butter, and milk made it real creamy. Now I have added all the milk. Time to add our salt, pepper, and parsley flakes. So I'm gonna add my salt. I'm gonna add crushed pepper. Now for the parsley flakes. Do not add them directly in the milk. So I'm gonna take some in my hand. Make sure to crush them so the oil will not be in there and it will give a real good flavor. Okay, now let's add our parsley flakes. Just do one more time. Okay, now let's add them in. The sauce is now ready. Take a look at it. It's so creamy and thick. I love it. It looks so delicious already. That means it's time to turn off the stove. Now we just have to assemble them and bake it. Now I got my bowl here. I'm gonna add rice. Add the brown rice in. And now for the chicken. Now for the corn. I added the white sauce we prepared now. The only thing is to do is mix it. There's a lot of rice in there. It looks so thick. Look how creamy and thick the white sauce is. And the rice, there's a lot of rice in here because it's 1 cup. I'm done mixing the ingredients, and now I'm gonna put them in into this bowl. I'm gonna take a big scoop. I'm gonna flat it down. Okay, I'm done putting the mixture in. Now I'm gonna add the Mexican style full cheese. I'm done putting the layer of cheese. Now again, take some rice. I'm gonna add the cheese, the Mexican style full cheese again. Cheese, make another layer. I hope this is real cheesy like I want. You guys can add less cheese if you don't want it too cheesy. I'm done spreading the cheese on top of the rice. Now the only step is to bake it, and then we can eat. So I'm gonna bake. So put it in the oven. Bake for 30 minutes. Now is the taste time. This tastes awesome. The corn, the chicken, and the sauce are so creamy and delicious. The cheese has melted well on the top. You guys also try this recipe. Oh yeah, this is a real good dinner recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Bye!